Hi children, we meet again. Last lesson I can remember we did addition and subtraction of decimals. Today we are continuing. Today I want to do multiplication of decimals. Each type you have to practice on your own, then only you will be able to get the sums correct. So multiplication of the decimals, we will first start with multiply with whole numbers. We will say 3.26. We will multiply by 3, whole number. So 3.26, always better to write like this and multiply. 3 is 8, 1 over 7, 3 is 9. Here what you have to do is you have to be very, very careful to put the decimal point. Where the decimal point? Here of course it's easy, we can say the decimal point is here. You got two numbers here, you have to count. The decimal numbers are how it is in the sum. So here in the sum there are two decimals, here answer also should have two decimals. We will take another sum. We will say 3.68 multiplied by 13. 3.68, 13. Now this 13 you can write anywhere, here or here. So now multiply by 3. 3 is 24, 2 over 8, 22 over 11. Multiply by 1. 1 8 are 8, 1 6 are 6, 3. When you multiply by 3, write under 3. When you multiply by 1, write under 1. So 4, 8, 7, 4. Now we have to put the decimal. There are two decimals here. Two decimal numbers, 6 and 8. Two decimal numbers. So we put the decimal here. So the answer is 47.84. We will take another example. 2.68 into 37. 2.68 into 37. 7 is 5 over 42 and 47, 4 over 41 for 18. And 3, 8, 24, 2 over 8, 22 over 8. 6, 11, 9, 9. So decimal here two numbers. So that is okay. When I multiply by whole, these are the rules for multiplying by whole numbers. Now we go to multiply by decimals. This is the place where many children make the mistake. We will take an example. We will take a number 20.5 multiplied by 0.3. Here we are multiplying a decimal number by a decimal number. So we write down 20.3, 20.5. And you can write it like this, under decimal like that. You can write the way how you are doing for addition and subtraction. So now multiply 3 by the 15, 1 over 1, 3 to the 6. No need of multiplying by 0 because it will be all 0. So this is the answer. Now where to put the decimal? Now here we count all the decimals in the sum. The sum has two decimal numbers, 1 and 2. So we have to count from here 1, 2 and put the decimal here. So many children make this mistake, but it's very easy. You have to just count the decimal numbers and put the decimal accordingly. We'll take another example. Look, 0.72 into 0.4. 0.04 is here. So 0.72 into 0.04. So multiply by 4 to the 8. 4 to the 28. We need not multiply by 0 because when you multiply by 0, it is all zeros. So there is nothing to add. So this is the multiplication. Now we have to put the decimal. All together in the sum there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So count from here 1, 2, 3 and you have to put a 0 here and decimal. So the answer here is 0.0288. Can you see? 4 numbers in the sum, 4 numbers is 4 decimal points in the answer. It has been like that. We will take one more example. Look, 0.56 into 0.001. So 0.56, 0.001. Now only number to multiply is by 1. So 1, 6 are 6, 5 and 0 if you want. Now, so only answer you get is here 1. Now we have to put the decimal. Now here we have altogether 3 here and 2 here, 5. There should be 5 decimal numbers in the answer. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 0.00056. 0.00056 is the answer. So all the sums are multiplied like this, children, in decimals. So you have to only, when multiplying, you have to be very careful. You have to count the decimal numbers and write the decimal point accordingly. So these are for today, children, multiplication. I hope you have liked the lesson, and please subscribe if you like it.